हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन एजुकेशन सिस्टम ऑफ पाकिस्तान। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। एजुकेशन ऑक्युपाइज एन undeniable place as a system. Generally speaking, the education system refers to the organized process of providing, regulating, managing and financing education by the government through the system of establishing educational institutions. Pakistan has no exceptions to this system. Globally speaking, providing education to the people is the responsibility of the state. However, in Pakistan, like other countries of the globe, the public and private sectors both are sharing this responsibility. Overall, the federal government and the provincial governments are performing this responsibility since independence. Both the federal and the provincial governments have been planning and designing educational plans and policies for the promotion as well as achieving the set targets in the field of education. Education system is the most important need of a peaceful and prosperous society. It is also important to note that no society can ignore the value of education for individual as well as collectives purposes. All around the globe, it is the duty of the state to provide education to its people. In a large number of the countries, the basic education is free for the people. Our religion, Islam, gives great value to education. It makes the acquiring of education compulsory for both men and women. Every country has its specific education system. Education system is the plan of how to provide education to the masses. In Pakistan, the education system has three major stages. These are school education from start to matriculation. The second stage is college education. It is from intermediate to graduation and at a limited scale up to the post-graduation level. The third stage is university education. Another system is that of technical and vocational education. On the whole, the present education system is a mixture of many systems. In spite of various plans and policies, education sector in Pakistan is still facing a number of problems that are proving hurdles in the way of attaining targets of an ideal education system and competing with the world. One of the major problems of poor education system in Pakistan has been the ineffective plans, policies and visions of education. A bird's eye view of educational plans and policies enables one to say that the ground realities were always ignored and a dream world was created. The quality of qualified, skilled and trained teachers has always been a problem in Pakistan. Viewing the present education system of Pakistan, it suggested that the present education is defective. It has so many weaknesses. The government must take suitable steps to eradicate all the problems. It should design an error-free education system. Conclusion: in the end, it can be said regretfully that in education system of Pakistan, there is no mechanism of running the system systematically and successfully. all we have been observing for years is experimentation. The government should take this challenge as a challenge and make education system of Pakistan a success story. तो दोस्तों ये था ऐसे ऑन एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन पाकिस्तान। दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पार्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।